To create a rental listing, go up to Single Listings, click under Listings for Rent or Sale, Add New Item. On this Create a New Listing page, we're going to go ahead and create a brand new listing for rent. We're going to call this a baby shower table. We can say beautiful table for treats or gifts for a baby shower, boy or girl, gender reveal, baby welcoming party. You can include more details, but those are just a few. We'll click to upload. Here's a photo of our baby table. You can click upload and next. You have to do that for every photo that you add. You can add up to 10 photos. I do have another one to use as well. Different setup. Upload and next. Oh, we have to select one photo as a main image before you do anything else. So this is a listing for our good friend Leslie at Majestic Party Rentals in Inglewood. You can actually select which main image you want. And we'll go ahead and keep this one here. You can also add photos from your Festively account if you've already added photos, if you want to use photos from before. Or you can add photos from Instagram at a later time. That feature is currently disabled. Here you can actually tag some frienders. So if, for example, you are only listing the table, but a partner or vendor does these balloons or does treats, you can tag them as well. But for now, we'll skip that feature since we are still in beta with that feature. So what's included with this listing? This is important because someone may see the listing and think they get everything, the balloons, the works. But this listing is for the table only. It is a 6-foot table with the words baby as the base and a glass top. It's important to be specific so that everyone knows exactly what is included. You can include categories. So this may be something that's furniture. You can include multiple categories if you'd like. So you do that by holding down the control key and selecting another item. You can say tabletop, maybe structures. You can click the subcategory if you'd like. And I'll click dessert tables and tables. We'll stop there. Themes. Let's definitely do showers. We'll do kids. Showers. And you can even do babies. So sub-themes, we can do a couple here. Gender reveal, sip and see, there's a lot of different themes here, so these are helpful, but they're not entirely necessary. Put baby shower, and we can do that. So you can also list some hashtags. People can search that way as well. Baby shower, hashtag baby showers, hashtag dessert tables, hashtag table rentals. This is to select color options. You really don't have any options. This is just the one option. So you can click an option. It's just going to show the one option, and you can leave it at that. There are no other size options. This is the one option, but if you had multiple size options, you could list that here. What other options can the user or the customer select from? There are no other options, so continue on. Do you charge a daily fee or a weekly fee for this? This is up to you. Let's call this a daily fee. I know Leslie charges $150 to rent out this table. If we want a discount, we can add that here. You can add that fixed or percentage, but it's optional. You don't need to do that. Since this is a rental, we do ask some information so that should something go wrong, you have noted here what your replacement fee is. So this can be charged back to the customer. So the replacement fee could be the original cost of the item itself. So let's say that that is $400. Is there a late fee if there's some issue and you get this back late? It's up to you. You don't have to do that. But sometimes it's helpful to put that just to make sure that the user knows or the customer knows that there is a fee if this does come back late. So let's just go ahead and say $10. You can add a cleaning fee if you choose to. You can add a repair fee if there is just general damage. So we'll go ahead and say $25 if there is some type of damage that we need to fix. Condition of the item. This is helpful just so everyone's on the same page. You can say perfect condition, or you can say that there are some scuffs on the back. Are there any restrictions that you want to share with the renter? So this is important. For example, if you want to say indoor use only, non-smoking households, things like that. Okay. Then you can set blackout dates. So for example, if you already know that this item is booked on certain dates, you can say, I'm going to do a blackout date from the 24th through the 29th because you've already loaned out to Mr. Smith. So you can add as many blackout dates as you want. You can also, choose to set up a blackout date if you don't want to rent this out for some time, if you are on vacation, or many other reasons. You can go ahead and set a blackout date. Can clients book instantly, yes or no? Currently this is defaulted to yes. So even if you click no, the functionality will still allow you to book instantly. So stay tuned for a feature update there where there's a pause and an opportunity for you to review the order before we actually book. You can always cancel an order afterward if this is not, if you're not able to make the commitment. How many days notice do you need before a booking? So this is for you to say, if someone's booking, I need at least 3 days notice. I can't just, accept it same day. Or you can accept same day if you choose to. How far in the future can clients book? So this is if somebody's a big planner and they're like, I've got my party, it's in 3 months. I want to be able to book all that all the way out. So you can designate how many days in advance a client can book. Do you request a deposit or for the item to be paid in full at checkout? So most folks go with a deposit for a rental, and you can either do a percentage of the amount or a fixed amount. So let's just say this is a percentage and we're going to say 50%. And this will be due upon checkout. When do you want the balance paid? So similarly, you can say I need to make sure that everything's paid in full 3 days before no questions asked. Is delivery and pickup offered? Yes or no? If you do offer delivery and pickup, this is where you get to designate how much you'll charge for the distance that you travel. So you can say, I'm willing to travel 25 miles to deliver this at $1 per mile. You can say, if you offer this delivery via Uber or Lyft, this is really a convenience thing for customers. If you're renting something small and you want to be able to put it in an Uber or a Lyft so that you don't actually have to transport it, that's an option if you wanted to go that route. The transaction would be entirely between you and the customer. Okay, now let's take a look on Festively's homepage. First, just double check that the listing is active. So I'm going to just refresh the Festively homepage. So I'm going to click on showers here, and your new product shows up here under showers if anyone's looking that way. You should also be able to see it under the newest listings here. And if you just type in baby shower, here you go. You can double check your listing to make sure everything looks good. You're always welcome to make changes on the back end. Users will click check availability to see if your item's available on their date that they would like to reserve it. They'll see all the information on the price, replacement fee, the deposits required, and can book immediately.